Sunish. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to discuss or explain about a new topic, and that is CSR, such as corporate social responsibility. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is CSR or corporate social responsibility? CSR or corporate social responsibility is a business model that helps a company to be socially accountable to itself, its stakeholders, and the public. So this is known as corporate social responsibility. Next, let me list out the types of corporate social responsibility, and they are environmental corporate social responsibility, ethical or human rights corporate social responsibility, philanthropic corporate responsibility, and economic corporate responsibility. So let me discuss one by one the types of corporate social responsibility. So first type is environmental corporate responsibility. It means organizations' commitment to sustainability, environmentally friendly operations, etc. So this is known as environmental corporate responsibility. Second one is ethical or human rights corporate responsibility. It means the organization's commitment to operate business in an ethical manner, such as fair trade practices, fair treatment of stakeholders, and equal pay. So this is known as ethical or human rights corporate responsibility. Now let me come to the third type, that is philanthropic corporate responsibility. It means donating money from companies' earnings to worthy causes within the local community. So this is known as philanthropic corporate responsibility. Now let me come to the last or the fourth type, that is economic corporate responsibility. Economic corporate responsibility means investing in education programs, investing in alternative energy sources, and funding in local charity. So this is known as economic corporate social responsibility. So the above are the important types of corporate social responsibility. So this is all about today's session. Let me come up in the next session with another interesting topic. Until then, thank you.